Your GPT is not a product yet. This video will show you how you can bring your own GPT and paste it in form-wise and turn it into a product that you can sell or embed in your website already. Okay. So in this video, we'll create a Copilot. I have already here some information about this Copilot. This is the GPT that I'll be pasting here. GPT that I am going to use for this video. So let's add a description. And I have the option to generate conversation starters here, or if you already have some conversation starters, you can just, copy them. These are the ones. I'm going to select GPT 4.1, web browsing, and let's use the voice input as well. And I'm going to use the allow user data resources in case somebody, wants to upload like a file with a list of names and have the AI like decide the name for them. Okay, I already have my tool. I have added some conversation starters that I have here. And I quickly changed the icon. If you want to know how to do that, you just need to come to the option here and then you click on custom. And I just type this like a realistic icon of name nest. You can, select any option. So people will like this picture style, like realistic ones, or more like a flat icon. So yeah, you can decide which one to use. All right, so I have my tool ready. The only thing that I'm missing is to monetize it. So what I will do is that I will add it to an existing toolset. So there's a test toolset that we have here that I will add it to. All right, so the toolset that I will use is this one that says Joseph login mode. Click on that one. As you can see, it says there is already one tool there. I will go ahead and add the tool that I have just created. And then what I'll do as well is that I am going to set up a plan, like a free plan and then a paid plan with, the different like aspects of each plan. So yeah, so here it is. I'm gonna pick it, add tools, preview, and here it is. Okay, so now last part is create a plan. I think this toolset does not have a plan. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, the login mode option is already turned on here. Means it has a Stripe account set up or integrated with the with the toolset. Okay, if your account doesn't have the option to turn on the login mode, it means that you should be seeing here on top like a blue thing saying like set up your Stripe now or something like that. So that's basically what you would need to do. Okay. All right. So let's call it free plan. So when you are making like certain tiers, for example, in the free plan, I'm going to share just the name nest, let's say. But in the next plan, I'm going to share both of my tools. So that's the way you can manage your plans. You can also manage like the credits for each plan and set some let's say like prizes and promos and stuff. But we have more information about that in our manual. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna select the tool that I'm gonna use here. Okay, so since this is a free one, I'm gonna say 0. I'm gonna say usage 10 monthly, and let's just do it like that. I'm gonna save it. Okay, right? And I can create, another one. Let's create the other one, say Pro. And we are going to select both. And for this one, let's say, yeah, 200, just like the example we have there. Trial days, I'm gonna give everyone 7 trial days and save. So what I told you about the managed credits is that, for example, in the free plan, I'm giving certain amount of credits, but when people reach that limit, they will need to either pick the pro plan or, pay for, you know, for more credits. Okay, yeah, save it. And that's it. Okay, I have my plans already. And the only thing that I am missing is I am going to embed this tool set in a website. I mean, well, I'm not gonna like embed the entire tool set because I was talking about, like specific tool. But if you want to monetize, you want to make your tool a product that you can monetize, you need to embed the entire tool set, okay, in your website. Something like this. You would see it like this. People would need to log in and sign up to actually use the tools. And the other thing I was wanting to do with this is to show you how you can use these copilots as chat widgets. Let me show you. So you can share, and we have different options. Okay, so we have the embed, like the regular embed code, or the chat widget. So remember, the process has changed a little, and the only thing we will need to do is to copy the header and the body of the code. Okay, header and body of the code. So I already have this here ready, okay, to embed my tool. I'm going to open the code editor, and I am going to copy the header, and I am going to copy the body. And look, here's one real important thing that I would like to mention. It says position. It says left. So once I am done, like saving this, the bubble or the widget would be here, this part of my screen. Since I don't want it there, I want it at the right side of my screen. I'm gonna change this and save. And now when I click here and I go see like the result, I'm gonna see that the widget will be here, this part of the screen. Okay, here it is. It says chatbots. I can change that, I can say, yeah, let's call it that way. And we can use a different background color. Let's use this one. Make it look like more like a nest. And let's use some white here. Oops, not there. Now, here it is. Okay, make sure you make your changes in the colors and everything before you embed the tool and everything. I think this one didn't take the change, but yeah, that's just as simple as that. You can bring your GPT, paste it in Formwise, either in the create new tool or you go to the AI tool builder and create your tool. You would add it to your tool set and turn on the login mode and set up a plan, set up tiers. Or if you want to embed your tool like individually in your website, something like this, you would be able to do that as well and make it part of your value ladder. People would come to your site and not just see a regular website, they would also see that you already have a chatbot that has to do with your products. So I hope this video helps you and gives you some ideas on how to monetize your GPTs or how to turn your GPTs into products. And yeah, that's it. Please leave your comments if you want a copy of the flow on how to build this. And yeah, leave your comments in the chat. See you. Thank you.